How to use keyframes for After Effects motion graphics. Imagine being able to bring static images to life with just a few simple steps. That's what keyframes do in Adobe After Effects. They are the secret to making your motion graphics smooth and professional. First, pick the layer you want to animate. It could be text, an image, or a shape. Then, press the shortcut key for the property you want to change. For position, press P for scale, press S rotation is R, and opacity is T. This opens the property in the timeline panel. Next, click the stopwatch icon next to the property name. This sets your first keyframe at the current time. The value of that property is saved at this point. Now, move the playhead to a different time on the timeline. Change the property value by dragging the object or typing in a new number. After Effects automatically creates a new keyframe at this point. You can add as many keyframes as needed. Just move the playhead, change the property, and a new keyframe appears. This creates a path of motion or change over time. To control when the animation happens, drag the keyframes closer or farther apart. Closer keyframes make the motion faster, while wider gaps slow it down. To make the movement look more natural, right? Click a keyframe and choose Easy Ease. This smooths the start and end of the motion, preventing abrupt changes. You can also use the graph editor to fine-tune the speed curves. This lets you create acceleration or deceleration effects, making your animation more polished. Always preview your work by pressing the spacebar. Watch how the motion flows and make adjustments if needed. You can animate position to move objects across the screen, scale for zoom effects, rotate for spinning, or opacity for fading in and out. Combining these properties can produce complex and engaging motion graphics. Mastering keyframes gives you total control over timing and movement. With practice, you'll be able to create smooth animations that look professional and captivating. Remember, adjusting keyframes and easing helps your animations feel more natural and less robotic. Keep experimenting with the graph editor to perfect your motion. The more you practice, the better your animations will look.